Hello. Today, we are going to be walking you through the process of adding, editing, and removing vehicles from your parking account. Before we start, if you're adding a vehicle, be sure you have your license plate information and the make, model, and color of your vehicle. If not, press pause now. First, we want to go to uc.edu/parking. Then, we're going to go ahead and go to View My Account. Next, when that loads, it will take you to the main page where you can go ahead and click on whichever login button applies to you. In this case, I am going to select the UC login. When that loads, please complete your central login. Once you are all logged in, you want to click on the Vehicles tab at the top of the page, and this will be where you can view your current registered vehicles and where you can add and edit. To add a vehicle, click the gray Add Vehicle button and fill in all of the required boxes. Once you have all of the information in, you can click on the Next button. If you need to edit a vehicle that is already registered, you can go back to the Vehicles page and click on the plate number that needs to be fixed. Then select Edit and change whatever needs to be updated. If you want to change the license plate, please contact Parking Services. If you need to delete a vehicle off of your permit, then you can go to the Permits tab at the top of the page. Click on the View Your Permit section, click on Permit Number, and scroll down and click Delete. When you view your account, the vehicle will still be visible, but will no longer be attached to your permit. Thanks for watching.